I used to avoid the kitchen. Cooking just felt exhausting. I would always say, I don't have the time or I'm not the cooking type. But lately, something shifted. I was going through this phase, feeling mentally cluttered, overwhelmed, and I needed something to slow me down. So one day, I picked up a few simple ingredients and made poha. Nothing fancy, but something about the process, the sound of the tarka, the smell of all the ingredients, it calmed me. It became a small routine, something just for me, a way to disconnect from all the noise and reconnect with myself. Cooking isn't just about food anymore, it's my self care. It's a pause in the middle of chaos, and somehow it's been healing me. I never thought I'd enjoy cooking, but here I am, finding healing in chopped onions and mustard seeds. Tell me your comfort ritual lately.